Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is breaking down the bot that I'll be implementing in the server very soon. If you guys find value in this bot, maybe you guys can use it as a confirmation for your own technical analysis. I wouldn't suggest following exactly as the bot says without doing your own technical analysis. It wouldn't make sense to buy at a resistance level. It wouldn't make sense to sell at a resistance level unless your trade went the wrong way. You bought at a support level, sorry, unless your trade went the wrong way and you bought at a resistance level and you therefore have to get out of your position for whatever reason, and you don't want to wait for the stock to recorrect. So basically we're going to be implementing these alerts. So on Sundays we release a stock watch list, which basically go directly, all the alerts for those stocks in the watch list will be sent to the Discord server, so under the live alerts channel, and it'll tell you exactly where to buy and where to sell. So we're looking at the SPY right here. I'm going to break down what this bot can do, and then we'll show you different other examples on different time frames, so you can see that it does work on different time frames, and then other stocks as well. So we're looking at the SPY right here, and as you can see, it did a very nice bullish signal here, and the stock rallied, which is good. Bear signals, you can use them as a alert to basically close your long position or enter a short position. Then you could use the bull signal to basically close your short position or enter a long position. Pretty self-explanatory. Anyways, let's take a look at NIO, which is an electric car company in Beijing. It's been pretty much going up this past month, due to all the attention that electric car companies have been getting, and especially YouTube as well. A bunch of people are doing videos on electric car companies, and it's just getting more attention, so therefore the stock price will go up because the volume's coming in. Anyways, here we'll be looking at NIO on the 1 minute chart, and as you can see that we did receive a bear signal here. Although prices did tend to go up right here, it did not give you a bull signal, or I mean, the signal was still correct. It did recorrect, and it may go down even lower as we did rally up on that, at the opening bell. So let's go to the 5 minute, and then we'll go to the 1 hour, and then the daily. So 5 minute bull signal all the way up, bear. So as you can see, let's go to the 1 hour. Bull signal, bear signals, bull signals here. Could have caught this rally, could have caught this other rally. And you do have to know like where the trend is going, because you're not gonna short the stock when the stock is going, the trend is up, it's going up, right? Wouldn't make sense. You would probably wait for the bull signal to enter the long position on an uptrend, right? And then vice versa for a downtrend. So let's go to the daily, and then we'll go to the SPY on the daily. So right here, a bull signal on the daily. So if you're more of a swing trader, I'd honestly use this bot for like a longer time frame, as there are much less alerts, and you can actually you can let these alerts play out to its full potential. So if I go to SPY, we'll go look at the daily on the SPY, and then you'll see exactly where that bull alert came up right here, around April 15th or April 13th, and then you could have caught this rally here and then wait for that bear signal right here before the dip, before this huge crash. Well, bear signal popped up right there until the stock recorrected, and it didn't really pull the bull signal here because there was no confirmation yet. So as you can see, it's working. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Bull signal, bear signal. You can catch these if you're a scalper or something. You can trade these lower time frames and use these signals for whatever your technical analysis you do. 3-minute chart, and then we'll go to the 1 minute. So bull signal on the SPY, boom, did go up, and then basically on the 1 minute, as you can see. Alright guys, so that's basically it right there. If you guys found value and would like to join the Discord server, I'll link it down in the description. It's completely free, although we do have a premium section because this bot did take money to develop. So as a business owner, you need to recoup your costs, right? So if you'd like to, let me extend this window actually. So if you'd like to go ahead and use this bot, we'll do a premium membership for $25 a month, and then we'll put exactly what you need to know in the Discord server in order to get the role, in order to go ahead and use this premium feature on the Discord server. Anyways, if you don't really want to do any premium, if you don't want to spend 25 to use premium features, you can go ahead and browse the free channels. There's a ton of value there. I have analysts basically sending out value, but you just won't get access to the full entire server and take full potential of it. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys got value out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.